我諗佢可能未必知嘅，佢知道我做緊金融相關嘅嘢，不過 exactly 做啲咩佢未必知。咁OS 度做咩嘅話，我諗緊佢可能都更加唔知，因為佢對 crypto 嘅認識可能同 BB 班嗰啲差唔多。如果係虛擬貨幣，其實佢更加似係一個 technology 同埋金融嘅一個融合嘅一個行業啦。咁佢同時都可以令到我哋嗰個而家舊金融體系上面嘅一啲 inefficiency 可以得到一啲改善嘅。我覺得佢最一開始嘅就係使少啲，儲多啲。我暫時就準備即係 Father's Day 嗰日嘅話，就會同佢一齊食餐飯啦。咁同埋我都會 spend the day with him。Happy Father's Day for sure. I mean, thank you for all your input and support for for my entire livelihood, and really appreciate to have you as my father. 嘗試喺佢個 asset allocation 上加埋 crypto 上去。爸爸父親節快樂！即係都多謝你嘥咗咁多時間同心血raise 我啦。咁我都好榮幸可以喺今世做你個仔嘅。Thank you。